Parts of Michigan this afternoon. That tremor was felt in our area. Good afternoon. I'm Faith Gantner. The United States Geological Survey confirms it was a 4.2 magnitude quake. Its epicenter is south of Galesburg. That's in West Michigan between Battle Creek and Kalamazoo. USGS estimates the earthquake struck just before 12:30. There are no reports of injury so far. It was originally reported as a 4.0 quake and was later upgraded to a 4.2 quake. Residents in Saginaw, Bay, Midland, and Genesee counties tell TV5 they felt the ground shake here in mid-Michigan. We turn now to TV5's Nick Lilly, who is live in Saginaw County. Nick.